What's up guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. Today we're going to take a look at the new iOgrapher LavMobile. Yes, we made our own microphone. It sounds great. I'm going to show you how it sounds and we're going to open the box and check everything out today on iOgrapher TV. Okay, so this is the iOgrapher LavMobile. We've been wanting to make microphones for a while and we finally found a company that we could collaborate with to create our own microphones. I think it's a great sounding mic, which I will demonstrate in a few moments, but let's unbox it first. So I pulled the top open and right away you check out, you're gonna get your own little pouch that's gonna hold everything. And we'll start to pull it apart and there is our lavalier mic. And here is some extra accessories for you, and I think you're really gonna like them. When we worked on designing the whole package for the mic, I wanted to make sure that everyone had an extra little windscreen for your lavalier, so you've got an extra windscreen, and an extra clip, because sometimes these things pop off and they get lost and you're ready to shoot and you don't have them, so now you have a backup that you can leave right in your bag. I also included a little TRRS adapter, so if you're going to use this for going into DSLRs, real simple, plug it in and you're good to go. Now the LavMobile comes with the adapter ready to go for TRRS video, so this will go into any mobile device, it'll go into your laptop, and it sounds fantastic. It comes with a little strap right here, so when you're done, you can now pack up your cable correctly and not have it just dangling everywhere. And this is the microphone right there. It's gonna sound great, as you'll see in a second. So without further ado, let's go jump outside and see what the new LavMobile sounds like. Okay, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is no microphone connected whatsoever. This is just my voice from about 3 feet away. So now, let's see what it sounds like with the LavMobile. Okay, so now this is the LavMobile plugged in from 3 feet away, and I hope you can hear the sound a lot better, a lot more clear. I've got cars going by, but you should hear me really well. This is the iOgrapher LavMobile. So there you have it, the new iOgrapher lavalier, ready to be put into your kit today. What did you think about it? Tell me in the comments below, because I'm gonna pick 3 of you to win one of these awesome microphones to add to your workflow. Leave a comment below, and also if you haven't, subscribe and ring the bell so you can be alerted when we have new product demos and new videos. I'm Dave Basulto. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.